How to block ads on your Android device. What is up everyone? Welcome back to another quick tutorial. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to easily block ads on your Android device. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel as well. So the very first thing that you need to do is go ahead and open up your phone settings. So just tap on the gear icon to open up your settings. So what you'll need to do here is find your connection settings. It's usually on the top, but if you cannot find it, you can just go ahead and tap on the search bar and search for connections. And once you find it, you can just go ahead and tap on the connection settings. Now from here, you just want to head over to more connection settings. It might be a bit different depending on what device you have, but the overall idea of this process is the same. So from here, you're just going to tap on private DNS. And if this is turned off, then you want to turn on the private DNS and provide a host name. And what you're going to do here is type in this. So if there is anything else on your screen, you are just going to remove it and then type in dns.adguard.com. Tap on save. And once you set the private DNS as this one, then the majority of the ads that you get on your phone will be blocked. So it's as easy as that. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.